Hello everybody, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix Instagram when it's freezing. So let's start the video. If your app keeps getting stuck and isn't responding, then first you can try restarting the app. Close the app completely and reopen Instagram to see if it's working. Sometimes a simple restart of your device can fix the issue. Restart your phone and check if it's still freezing. Clear the app cache can help on Android devices. Open settings and go to apps and find Instagram. Tap on it. Tap storage and then clear cache. Reopen Instagram and see if the problem is resolved. Also make sure your Instagram app is up to date. Sometimes the issue might be on Instagram's end. Check website like Down Detector to see if Instagram is experiencing outages. If there's an outages, you will need to wait for Instagram to fix the issue. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.